Hey everybody, it's Tamika and I'm at work, but I wanted to upload this video to let you guys know my lunch break. I went over to the local hardware store. It's not a hardware store, it's like a mom and pop little couple shop, and they have where I always get my 12-piece magnet, those teeny tiny magnets that I use for those closures that you want to be just inconspicuous. They're really tiny. They measure 1/8, get it to focus here, 1/8 inch by 1.5 millimeters. And they were on sale. They were 10% off. So they cost me $3. Well, I figure since they're normally $3.75, I just bought the rest of them that they had. And so, since so many people asked me to, where I get these from, and I've even purchased some for quite a few people and mailed it to them. They paid me and I mailed them, went to the store and bought them some. I figured since I bought the rest of them, I can share them with you guys, and I will not make a profit off of these. The only thing that I'll charge you the $3, because that's what it cost me, and then it shouldn't take more than $1 to ship, so it'd be like $4. And I'll put a link over at my blog for you to PayPal me. And if you want delivery confirmation, of course, that'll be, I think it's 70 or 80 cents extra, and that option will be there too if you want to add delivery confirmation. But so if you guys are interested in it and getting these magnets, just head over there and I'll have the link available for you. Also, second thing, I went over to my channel yesterday and noticed that I had a little over 600 subbies, so I'm so grateful to all of you guys for watching my videos and commenting, and the community is so supportive and I appreciate you guys. So I wanted to do a little something for reaching 600. So I have a Nestabilities die that I'm going to give away, and of course only the true subbies know this because I didn't put it in the title, and you almost have to hear the video in order to know that it's a giveaway. Anyway, so what was I saying? Oh, Nestabilities. I have a Nestabilities die set that I want to give away. It's labels size 4, I believe. And I'll put a picture up after this because I did take a picture of it last night. And if you want to be entered, just put 2011 in your comment somewhere down there. And then I will enter, and the drawing will be next week, a week from today. And I will ship it out to you. So, my pager. I guess I gotta get back to work. So anyway, thanks you guys so much for your support. If you're interested in the magnets, click below. I'll send them out next business day, and don't forget to leave the comment with 2011 in your little comment box somewhere. Thanks guys, have an awesome day. Bye.